Welcome to the Art of Franchise Marketing.
I was really interested in reviews, and not only the reviews of our franchisees, but the reviews of our competitors. And when I first started, I started to do a little bit of my own research, and I thought there's got to be an easier way to get all of this. And so I actually hired a company called PVAI Consulting, that they're an AI consulting company that helped us build an AI agent that is scraping reviews of not only all of my franchisees in the system, but then the franchisee locations of all of our competitors. And then I had very specific asks, and I don't want to give too much away just from a competitive standpoint, but it's scraping the reviews and looking for very specific things so I know what to educate my franchisees on how to sell against their competitors.